गुड परफॉर्मेंस। हमारी खाक से खुशबू वतन की आएगी, हमारी खाक से खुशबू वतन की आएगी, हमारा खून है शामिल इस वतन की मिट्टी में। I would like to invite Abdullah Waqar for speech.
Defense Day, 6th of September 1965. In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. What is He said is done, who has enlightened our hearts with the light of faith. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic which is given by me for speech is Defense Day. Respected Principal Sir, first of all, I want to explain the meaning of defense. It's meant to protect, save or rescue one's life, honor or property. But over here, the meaning of defense is entirely different from the above mentioned clause. As all of you know that, we are celebrating the 58th Defense Day of Pakistan, and we celebrate this day in the memory of our those beloved and brave soldiers who fought bravely and died in the Indo-Pak War of 1965 and made successful defense of Lahore and other important cities of Pakistan. My dear fellows, I know that you all are aware of the historical significance of this day. On 6 September 1965 at 5 a.m., Indian Army attacked Pakistan from Lahore Barki sector. This 5-week war caused thousands of casualties on both sides. It ended in a United Nations mandated ceasefire. Respected Principal Sir, Pakistani Army officers sacrificed their lives and were awarded with Nishan-e-Haider for their acts of exceptional bravery. A lot of programs are organized every year on Defense Day. Pakistani military forces arranges different exhibitions and shows of armors and artillery. National songs and documentaries about 6 September are displayed on TV. My dear fellows, as history tells that Abraha, who was a non-believer and an arrogant king, attacked the sacred house of Allah Pak, Khana Kaaba, and led his army with black elephants. In the same manners, India attacked our country with their black American and Russian tanks were ahead of them and their vulture-like fighter planes hovering above in the air. But what a courage, boldness and sacrifice was demonstrated by the Pakistani nation. As soon as the news of the attack was heard, a wave of oneness, boldness, sacrifice ran through the whole nation. The entire world knows that in 1965, how the fearless, courageous and daring tigers of Pakistan crushed the planned, organized and secret aggression of the enemy. They tied bombs with their bodies and ready to sacrifice their precious life for the motherland. By lying under the tanks of the enemy, they wrecked the gigantic tanks in a shake, which reduced all the pride and boldness of the Indian Army to ashes. In the words of Iqbal, दश्त तो दश्त है दरिया भी ना छोड़े हमने, दश्त तो दश्त है दरिया भी ना छोड़े हमने, बहरे जुल्मत में भी दौड़ा दिए घोड़े हमने. Lastly, I would once again pay homage to our great heroes who sacrificed their lives for the motherland. We will play our role in safeguarding the sovereignty, security and prosperity of our country. Thanks a lot. Pakistan Armed Forces Zindabad. Pakistan Paindabad.